a latest invention has just happened, the VideoGPT, which functions just like ChatGPT but with video capabilities. It now understands anything that you post related to a video that you watch together. Okay, so the AI world is now taking a very completely new dimension or new direction as the inventions keep coming. So the advent of VideoGPT, a lot of things are coming, and a lot of changes is coming into the AI world. So let's take a look at this and the beauty of this VideoGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of this VideoGPT and how to use it on your own. Okay, with just the links in the description, you can follow along and upload your own video and see some of the basic descriptions that you're going to get from this VideoGPT. So let's start with experiencing some of the powers. Okay, some of its powers from previous experiences that people have prompted it with. So take a look at this. So this is a question. In this video, there's a person eating leaves. Why? In this video, there's a person eating leaves. Why? But then let's hear the response of the AI or of the robot. And take a look at the response it gave, that this video does not contain any person eating leaves. It only contains a giant panda sitting on the ground eating bamboo. So, and that is very correct. It was trying to get tricked that it contains a human being, but it quickly detects that this is not a human being, this is panda, and it gives in the responses. So now take a look at the next response. How is the panda feeling? Now this is the question to it. Okay, and look at the response. Now the panda in the video appears to be content and relaxed, and it sits on the ground eating bamboo. So this is based on its understanding. That's the robot now giving its response. All you need is just to have the robot to watch the video, and you can ask anything. So you can go ahead and say, let's see. Now the next question is, why does the panda raise its hand? Okay, because you could see in the video it raises its hand a little bit. Take a look. You can see it raised its hand, so it's now asking, why is the panda raising its hand? Okay, why does it raise its hand? So let's hear the response from the robot. The panda in the video appears to be raising its hand to reach for more bamboo. Yeah, and that's very correct. You know, it's intuitive. It shows that it is really something else. It is really watching the video, and it's giving comments and inputs based on what it has seen. Now let's hear other responses. Can it eat out all of the bamboo? Now based on what is available here, can it eat out all of the bamboo? Now let's hear the response. And this is very tactical. The panda in the video appears to be able to eat a lot of bamboo, but it's unlikely that it can eat all of the bamboo. Okay, because there are plenty bamboo here, so it doesn't appear to that it can eat all. That is to tell you how detailed and attentive this robot is paying attention to the video. Now let's hear more. Now take a look at this question. This is someone exercising on top of a roof. So now the question is there anyone in the video? What gender? Okay, this looks like a female, and let's hear the response from the robot. And quickly it answered, yes, there is someone in the video and the person is a woman. And that's correct. There's someone in the video and the person is a woman. Now let's hear the rest. Where is she and what is she doing? That's the next question. Where is she and what is she doing? Now hear the response, because this is very technical. Now look at the response. The woman is on a roof and she's doing yoga. It quickly detects that this woman is on top of a roof and is doing yoga. Now here the next question, which is going to be very much more interesting. How do you know it's on the roof? That's the question the person is now prompting to ask the VideoGPT. Now look at the response. I can tell it's on the roof because of the background in the video. The sky is visible and there's a large green tree in the background. And that is very correct. Look at the sky and look at the large green tree it is showing in the background, which shows that there is something at the end of this, which clearly depicts that yes, this is the top of a roof. Okay, and this is very correct. So for it to have gone this far to detect this much detail is really something. Okay, so this can have different kind of applications. Even at your home, you can set out your video maybe from your cameras that you have at home. CCTV cameras, and after a while you just come in, play the video and watch it together with the AI, and then maybe at some point ask it to tell you at the point when someone in red shirt comes into the house, and quickly it will depict it. Or someone with this much description comes into the house, it can easily depict and tell you exactly what you are looking for. So this is really insane, and this is something very dangerous that is coming into humanity. Now let's watch more. What is she wearing? Now take a look at the response. The woman is wearing a black shirt and pants and a black swimsuit. This is very correct. When was the video taken? So now we are trying to find out, based on the atmospheric look, at what time of the day it's taken. So let's hear the response. The exact time the video was taken is unknown, but both based on the sky, the clear sky, and the large green tree in the background, it is likely that the video was taken during the day. And that is very correct. You can see how it inferred based on the details in the background. The next one is an elephant. You can see this is a very familiar video. People have seen this and it has gone viral. This is a video of an elephant drawing itself. Okay, so what is the elephant doing in this video? And take a look at the response from this AI that can shock you. The elephant is using its trunk to paint a picture of a baby elephant on an easel, and that is very correct. Now it's using it to paint the baby of a baby elephant on this very board. And now let's see how it is being tricked to answer the question wrongly, if it is actually going to answer it wrongly. Are you sure? I think it's drawing a kettle. Now let's see the question. Let's hear the answer. No, the painting may not be perfect. And it may look like a kettle. However, the elephant is still painting a picture of a baby elephant. And now that is very interesting and correct. You know, see how it quickly dribbled the person prompting that this politely is not, the painting may not be perfect, but what it's drawing is not a kettle, it's a picture of a baby elephant. Now let's look at some more prompts. Now what do you think about the picture? Now take a look at the response. The picture looks very beautiful and creative. Look at the interaction and look at the politeness in the response and promptings. The accuracy in the response is actually next level. This is very interesting. How to tell the elephant to stop painting? How do we tell the elephant to stop painting? Now look at the response. You can tell the elephant to stop painting by saying stop painting. You can also try to distract the elephant by offering it a treat or a toy. Now you can get it distracted and it can move away from that painting and do something else. Now this is very interesting and fantastic. This is how you have it in the live platform. Okay, you have to as usual, you have to copy your OpenAI's key and paste it here, and then you can upload your video here, and then you can either drag and drop, or you can upload the video and then allow it to watch. I'll show you the live demo. You have to allow the AI to watch the video, and then you can go ahead and ask anything based on your prompts from here. Okay, so let's take a look at this. See, it quickly drag and bring in a video. This video, it brought in this video, and then allow it to watch. Okay, it's now watching this guy with the basketball, training with the basketball, and then it's going to now send in some prompts based on what it's seeing. Okay, so I uploaded a video. Please watch it first. Now the AI watched. I have watched this video. Now let's chat. Is the man singing or rapping? The man is dancing, not singing or rapping. You can see the man is dancing. It's not singing or rapping. So this is very correct. Okay, please describe what he is wearing. Now the AI is going to describe what the guy is wearing. The man is wearing a black shirt and a white stripe, khaki pants, and a black jacket with white stripes and a pair of black shoes. And that's very correct. Now take a look at the next question. In what second does playing basketball happen? At what second, or in what second does playing basketball happen? Now playing basketball happens in seconds 2, 4, 5, and 7. You can see how exceptional or how perfect it is. In the video, take a look at, quickly depicts that it happens in these seconds 2, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, for which second to which second do you think it is the most exciting and why? So after watching, it now quickly depict that the most exciting part of this video is from second 6 to 11, as this is when the man is walking on the sidewalk, a blurry orange tennis ball is seen, okay, and it now came in, and a blue sign with white writing is seen, and a white wall with a blue diamond shape is seen. This part of the video is exciting because it shows a lot of movement and color. Okay, so you can see even the reason why it is exciting, it just gave out the reason. So the next one is, take a look. Why is he dribbling basketball? Now take a look at the response. He is dribbling basketball to practice his skills and to have fun. So this looks like he's practicing his skills and he's having fun at the same time, which is correct. Do you think his dancing is funny, and why? And he said the dancing is quite entertaining and could be seen as funny. He is showing off his skills and having fun, which can be seen as humorous as well. Okay, and this is very correct, and it's very interesting. This is very short, but it's very interesting to see the response and how this VideoGPT interacts. Now if you want to try it on your own, I will leave the link in the description. You can go to the live demo, and this is why it's going to bring you up to this point. This is ask.opengvlab.com, and it's going to bring you over here. You can just drag and drop any video of your choice. You can see the ones they have tried. You can see this one, and you can see this one, and all you need is just to paste your OpenAI key at this point over here. So you have to log into your OpenAI and just paste in the key. So let's say we go to Google and we can say OpenAI key. Okay, you can just search OpenAI key and it will bring you over here. You can just copy it. You can just click here, and it's going to take you directly to your OpenAI account. You can just log in if you have logged in. If you don't have a login detail, you can just register and sign up. It's very easy. Okay, so you can just log in. You can see you can create a new key. Okay, and you can just go ahead and click on create new key, and you can give it a name. So for example, on this one we are trying it on VideoGPT. Okay, so you can say create new key, and it will just create the key for you. This is it, and you can just copy, and you can come back to the same platform and just paste it over here. You can just paste the key and hit enter. Okay, so for this tutorial, so we can just come back here and just click here and paste it. Okay, so once you paste, for this tutorial, let's start with the existing video that it has. For example, this one, let's just try to upload. You can upload the video, you can drag and drop any, or you can click to upload and you can watch it together. So let's click on this one. Let's try this and see if it's going to be a bit faster. So let's say watch it. Okay, so you can see now it's loading the video, and you can see now I uploaded a video. You upload a video about a man playing baseball. Okay, baseball swings, a bat at a ball while other people play baseball. Click the chat button to chat. So let's say let's chat from here. Once you click on let's chat, and you can start the live chat over here. Okay, so let's ask it, what kind of pants is the man wearing? So let's hear the response. The man is wearing blue shorts, and is it really blue? I'm not sure. This might be dark blue, but I cannot see it clearly. But this one over here is wearing a blue shorts, and the man is wearing something like a black. That's what I can see. But let's hear now what color is his shirt. Okay, so let's see what color is his shirt. Okay, the man is wearing a gray shirt, and that's correct. This is a gray shirt, and this is correct. So let's see. Let's play the video one more time. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so let's ask it how many times does the man hit the ball. Let's hear what it's going to say. How many times does he hit the ball? How many times does he hit the ball? So let's see the response, because this is a bit tricky. The man hits the ball once. Is it once or twice? I think it hit it twice. So let's see. See the first time, 1, and let's see. Yeah, hit it twice, and that's wrong. So he didn't get this one correctly. He hit it twice. So let's say at what point does he hit the first time? The first time, not at what point, at what time. Let's say whether it is specific with the timing. truly. At what time does he hit the first? Okay, the man hits the ball for the first time at second 1. So let's see. Yeah, that's correct. He hit at second 1. Okay, so I think he's using this guy with the blue shot the first time. So let's see how many people are watching the man. How many people are watching him? There are other people standing behind him watching him play, and that's correct. There are other people standing behind him. Judging by this, you can see people over here watching him. It's not only this guy that's there, there are other people also over here. Let's play it one more time. You can see there are other people here and behind watching. So I think this is very interesting, and it's really doing a great job when it comes to analyzing a particular video, even though it comes with some 1 or 2 hiccups, but it's doing a great job. So let's clear everything, okay, and start the chat again. Let's maybe try this video. Okay, so it has uploaded the video, and let's say watch it. So let's just give it some seconds to reach this much time. Okay, it's now loading the video. Okay, I uploaded a video. Yes, you upload a video about close-up image, okay, of a man playing an instrument. Click let's chat. So let's click on it. Let's chat. And I have watched this video. Let's chat. Now let's watch the video together. So this is the man playing an instrument. He's just using his hand to play the instrument. You can see he's just playing an instrument. Okay, so let's ask it, how many fingers does he use? What hand is he using to touch the instrument? Is it the left or right? Which hand to play the instrument rather? So which hand is he using to play the instrument? Is it left or right hand? So let's chat this. The man in the video is using his right hand to play the instrument. Okay, maybe he's using the left hand to just touch the point, and he's using the right hand to play, because the instrument involves you to play with both hands. So let's say, what color is his shirt? The man in the video is wearing a black shirt. Okay, let's say a black shirt. So does he has a ring in his hand? Okay. Let's hear. The man in the video is not wearing a ring in his hand. I think I can see something like a ring, yeah, in his left hand over here. This is a ring in his left hand. And it's quickly insisted that the man is not wearing a ring in his left hand finger. And I think the video is really doing a good job. The AI is really doing a good job, even though it's just coming in, so there may be 1 or 2 hiccups. With time, gradually it's going to perfect its description and analysis of video. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is a bit about the VideoGPT, the latest release in the AI world that analyzes your video and give you inputs based on what it has watched, and with critical details that are contained in the video. If you can go ahead and give it a try and try your creativity, I'll paste this link in the description, so once you click, it will take you over there and you can watch the entire video and see how you can try to upload your own video and have some chat with it. Let's continue to watch as the technology is being unveiled and it's being trained for accuracy. But towards the end of the year, expect a lot of challenges and a lot of new things in the AI industry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.